Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how to file an online FIR in India, focusing on the procedure, the legal framework, and some practical aspects. So, to begin with, an FIR is the foundation of the criminal justice process. It sets the law in motion. Earlier, registering an FIR meant physically going to the police station, which was often time consuming and intimidating for general public, but to improve the access to justice and reporting, especially for minor and cyber offences, the system of online FIRs and complaints was introduced as a part of India's digital governance initiatives. The legal backing of the FIR registration comes from the criminal procedure law. Earlier, Section 154 of CrPC governed registration of FIRs for cognizable offences. This has now been replaced by Section 173 of the BNSS 2023, which continues the same principle. Police must record information relating to cognizable offences. Further, under Article 21 of the Constitution, access to justice is a part of right to life and personal liberty. Also, in the judicial pronouncement of the Lalita Kumari versus State of UP, the Supreme Court clearly held that registration of FIR is mandatory for cognizable offences, ensuring that police cannot refuse to act. Online FIRs are an extension of this constitutional and statutory mandate. So, what is an online FIR? It is simply a complaint that is submitted through official police portals instead of physically visiting a police station. However, it's important to understand that it's mainly meant for non-urgent or specific categories of offenses, especially the cognizable ones. It does not completely replace the physical FIRs, especially for serious crimes requiring immediate police action. So typically online FIRs are used for cyber crimes like online fraud, identity theft, or harassment. They are also commonly used for reporting lost mobile phones or documents or other objects, and for initial reports of vehicle theft. Some states also allow women related complaints online, making the process more accessible and victim friendly. So now let's just look at some online FIR portals. There are different platforms which exist for filing online FIRs. Most states have their own police websites and mobile applications. For cyber offences, there is a centralized national cyber crime reporting portal which is widely used across India. The exact process may vary slightly from state to state. So let me just show you all how we can access those websites. So as you can see here, I have just searched online FIR and here comes up Rajasthan police website, and then there is NC National Commission for Scheduled Caste. You can file sorry, you can file a complaint if you belong to this category. Then if you're from Haryana, then you can file here. Then there is Maharashtra. So different states have different websites for the same. If I go to this, you can just simply go to complaint registration. You can log in here and move forward with further details of the same and the relevant documents. Let us go back. Yes. So you can either go to the website of the particular state, or you can go to National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal for particular cyber offenses. Now let's move forward. So this is the step-by-step online FIR procedure. The procedure is very simple. A person just needs to visit the official website or the app and select the option to register an FIR or file a complaint. Choose the category of the offences from the drop down menu and fill in the personal and incident details. Supporting documents can be uploaded if required. Once submitted, an acknowledgement or reference number is generated for tracking. Means whatever the status of the FIR would be, it would show up with the tracking ID. After filing the FIR, what happens? So after the submissions, the police verifies the information provided. If the offence is found to be cognizable, a formal FIR may be registered. The complainant may be contacted for clarification or further details. In some states, a copy of the FIR can also be downloaded online, which adds transparency to the process. Then, yeah. To conclude, online FIR filing is a progressive step towards e-justice in India. It is firmly backed by the Criminal Procedure Law and the BNSS 2023. While it has improved accessibility and efficiency, greater awareness and more uniform implementation across states is still needed to make it truly effective. Thank you.